Okay, the first thing that I want to show you in order to create your Google Doc is we first of all need to set up a Google account. So if we open our browser, so we have Google here, let's go to Gmail. Okay, now as you can see I've already got a username and a password, but let's just set up a new one. Okay, so as you can see I've now entered all of my details. Okay, I made some mistakes the first time. I will now create my account. Great, my account has been created. So I now have an account. It's going to show me my account, and here we go. My new address, elwrush.alternative@gmail.com. Okay, what I'm going to do now is go to Google Documents. Yeah, now sometimes you may find that everything appears in Thai. So to change it into English, click the setting buttons as I've just shown you, and then go to Docs, Settings, and then change it from Thai to English. And there we go, simple. So I am now in Google. Alright, and we're going to create a new document. So if I go to Documents, here we go. So here's our new screen. So the first thing we are going to do is create a new document. We press Create New Document. Very simple. And I'm going to call this document Hello World. There it is. So I have a new document. Now this is the old setting of Google Docs. We're going to change our settings. So we go to Document Settings, and we go to Editing, and we're going to create new text documents using the latest version of the document editor. Save, or let's go back and look at some other things. Language is English, and let's just make sure that we've got the right time zone. So we're dragged down. Where's Bangkok? There we are. Good. Okay. Alright. Let's save. Okay, we have a document called Hello World. Let's open it up. This is still the old format, so we're actually going to delete this now. So we will delete it. Okay, so let's create a new document again with the new settings. Alright, this one we're going to, and you can see that we have a new style. We'll call it Hello World. As you can see, we've got a normal looking page with margin tabs and so on. The very first thing I would like you to do is to create a table. So go to Table, Insert Table, and let's go 2 by 2. Next, I would like you to make the right column a bit smaller, because this is where my comments will go. So we go to Table Properties, set the width to 1.5 inches. Alright, and that changes. Unfortunately, you cannot just drag the bar as you can do in Microsoft Word. Okay, we're going to call this Outline, and we're going to call this Comments. Then we press Tab, 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 then we write Peer Draft, Tab, 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 First Draft, Tab, 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 Second Draft, Tab, 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 Final Draft, Tab. And then we have our grid with the name of our document and our writing. So what we would go ahead and do now is just to write our outline and then our first peer draft. Now I'll explain what is meant by this process soon. For now, however, this is how your document template should be set up. Okay, now that we have finished, we are going to share this with someone. How do we do this? We click share and we invite people. So I'm going to share this with my primary email address, which is elwrush@gmail.com. You can invite anybody. They can either edit it or view it. If they edit it, they can make changes, and this is important. You must let the peer editor make changes to your document. View means they can just look at it, but they can't make changes. So write a little message. Hi Ed, that's me. Can you please edit my work? Alright, and then we just send. So here we are back now in our main screen, and you can see here is my document, Hello World. What I'm going to do now is create a folder, and we're going to call this one, for example, Writing Exercise 1. If I press save, we have a folder now here called Writing Exercise 1. It's a good idea to put your work into folders so you don't lose track. Go back to all items, and then you can drag that into the folder. And that's about it. That's how you create a document, and that's how you share it.